I drove across the entire United States to buy every Pokemon pack I could get my hands on. In this video, we're going to be opening every Journey Together pack I got to complete our master set. We're only missing a couple cards, 4 SIRs, 2 gold cards, and of course, the reverse holo redeemable ticket. We're doing another giveaway at the end of this video, so watch all the way through so you know what you need to do to get entered. Let's get into it.
Say hello, it's Pikachu calling.
Hello, it's Pikachu calling.
Hello, it's Dada.
Hi, Pikachu.
Hi, Pikachu. Let's get into it. Do your muscles. Let's get into it.
I can do it.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, boy.
All right. Dang. Dang, bro. It's like 80 packs or something. We're going to open them all. Are you ready? You want to start with those ones?
How about Ethan?
That one?
Yeah, Ethan too.
That one's cute?
Yeah, this teacup.
That's Clefairy.
It's
Jigglypuff!
It's a puff.
It's Clefairy.
It's a fairy. It's a fairy. It's a fairy.
Let me get the sleeves ready. Let's do it, dude.
Open that please.
Very first pack going. First pack magic.
Where's my muscle?
First pack magic.
That's
Yeah, I'm gonna start them for you. Keep going. You gotta have your hands up here though, remember? You can just set that down.
Papa, thank you. I'll pick you.
Remember, do them flat. No peeking. No peeking! Clefairy. Snorlax, nice.
So yes.
Keep going.
That's best.
Keep going. We're not gonna stop. Keep going. Look, I'm already ahead of you. I'm opening more than you. Keep going.
That's
Data cracks this one?
No. Let me just be sad.
Okay, get it going. We're gonna open a lot of these. Oh! No way, bro! No way! Oh my goodness. First pack SIR?
I'm here.
Dude, we need that one. Why is it so dark right there? Holy smokes. Dude, that's crazy. Wow.
No.
That's one of the ones we needed. First pack. That's a good sign, dude. Give it up there. We just need the Zacian, Salamence, Clefairy EX, and the Gold Bella Bolt, and the Gold Zoroark. Wow, that was crazy. I'm freaking hyped, dude. Are you hyped? Remember, you gotta hold them up here. Nice.
Nice.
Dude, good pull. Let's put it in a sleeve and set it right here. You ready? Next one. Right there, right there. We gotta keep these rolling. We got a lot of packs to open. No way! Dude! No way, look at that. Look, you hold it right there. Lycanroc. Dude! Let's go. Give me a fist bump. Dang, bro.
Table.
I don't know if we need... I think we need that one. If not, that'll be a fun giveaway. You like Mr. Mime?
It is funny.
She is funny. Look at him dancing.
He dancing.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, you see, a second ago I just reached over and muted my mic on accident. For about the next 20 minutes, there's no audio to this video. So what I'm going to do is compile it all into an awesome montage and play it right about now.
My telephone is mine.
You want another Mr. Mime?
No, my telephone is a picking. A picking. Mine are picking.
Everyone just peeked. You just showed everyone the card.
Mine are picking.
All right, go ahead.
You have?
Go ahead.
Oh.
Dang, bro. Good pull.
This one. Oh, Emmett, that's Emmett. That's you, that's Emmett.
Yeah.
That's cute. That's cute, that's
Is
cute.
that a cute one?
Yeah.
How cute?
This one's not cute. This is not cute.
No.
No. This one's cute though. This one's not cute though. I think
Good job.
I set a big fire here. That's funny.
What'd you get?
Mama.
You got a Salmons. Look. You got a pull, dude. Good pull.
It's Paul.
That was a good pull, dude. Winnie the...
Cool.
You suck!
No picking.
It's okay. Let's go ahead and start from there.
Oh, my Susanian. My Susanian.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Oh, it could be.
Na.
Wow.
And that's Susanian.
Next pack. Go, go, go.
That's Susanian.
Yeah, it was this one. That was the shiny one.
I need to know first.
You wanna look at him first?
Yeah, that's a big fire. That is a big fire.
That's it. Let me help you. That's it. Big pile, dude. Alright, I started them all for you, so go crazy. Oh,
Go see ya.
like that is thing. Who's faster? Dada or Emmett?
Emmett.
Dada. Woo, 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 woo. Metagross.
Woo, 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 woo,
Why is that happening?
woo, 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 woo. That's
Dada.
Dada.
Because Dada looks like Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad? Is it good or bad that I look like Winnie the Pooh? You like Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's my favorite.
Winnie the Pooh's your favorite?
Yeah.
So you're saying Dada's your favorite?
Yeah.
Sheba.
No picking. It's okay.
Sheba.
It's okay.
What are those cards? No one knows. Oh, dang. Zorarks all day, dude. When I... Ooh, nice. Okay. You start with that. There you go. When I forgot to turn the mic on, apparently, I don't even know how it got muted. We pulled a second SIR Zorark. The full art. I mean, we just pulled all this stuff, and I didn't even have the mic on. That's sad.
That's that?
Yeah. But it's okay, dude. Because it's our second video. You don't have to be great to start. You just have to start to be great. Right?
Yeah.
Are you great?
Yeah.
Or awesome?
Feet.
You're great? And awesome?
No, then I sound.
It's pretty awesome. Oh, man, that looked gold. We're having a tough time with the gold cards, aren't we? We've opened up a lot of... Okay, pack battle.
It's onions.
Feel them. Which one's better?
I did both ones.
Not 3?
Yeah.
Oh, 4. You want to choose from 4? Okay. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Feel which one? Which one do you like?
This one.
That one? I like this one.
I like
Okay,
this
you open that one. I'll open this one. Ready? You are moving around like crazy.
An iron.
Okay. Anyone need a Zorark?
Yeah.
I got one for you. I know a guy.
Image. On my muffin.
Yeah, there's 2 of them, isn't there? And a fish.
Happy button lesson. Cure. Here.
That one? I'm gonna do this one.
And I'm to do this one.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Ooh. Redeemable ticket, please. Oh, dang, bro. Dang, okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. I'm gonna cover those up. Oh, do this. Start just laying these down here. We got a bunch. See it, bro. Oh!
Apple Siemens.
Dude, that is an awesome card. Wow. Good job, bro. That open one.
I'm going on.
Reverse hollow redeemable ticket. That's all I want. Dude. It is the ticket. We just got 2 full art. Oh no, this is the SIR. Yeah. Bro. Holy smokes. Holy smokes.
Imitaton.
You got another. Bro. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Let's show him. Let's show him right here.
No, that is the same as everything. Everything nasib. Everything nasib.
Yeah, not this sleeve though. You just went nuts on that sleeve. Oh, look. It's both.
It's
She's got big hair, huh?
And Mr. Big Hair.
See her big hair? It's all her hair.
This Doodle.
She's cute though?
No.
Dang, bro.
That's image.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Keep it. We're keeping all the duplicates and everything so that when we go live, we can just do live giveaways and we'll just mail the cards to people. It'll be a lot of fun. Reverse redeem. Take it. Oh, it's okay. That's a lot of packs, bud. There's definitely a reverse holo redeemable ticket in this one.
Mr. Onion. Mr. Onion. I wanna see
Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Oh, that's a good sign. Bro! Dude! Zoroark is the freaking GOAT in this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We pulled every Zoroark. We need this one. Oh my goodness. All I want is a reverse holo redeemable ticket. Let's go. Good pull. Good pull. That's a cool one. That's a good one to play with. You know why? When you play it, it lets you change your opponent's Pokemon. So you could send up one that maybe they don't want to attack with.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you can take it out. Wow. Wow. Dude. I love on the gold cards, the gold, just the lines they have on them. Looks so good. That's awesome, man.
There's a pudding. There's a pudding. There's not a pudding.
Redeemable ticket. Redeemable ticket.
There's
Redeemable
a
ticket.
pudding. That's a pudding.
No redeemable ticket. Look. Look at this. Holy smokes, dude. The full art Volcanion. Oh my goodness, you are unstoppable. You are unstoppable. You are unstoppable. Last pack magic.
That's a big player.
Last pack magic. All we need.
That's a big player.
All we need is the redeemable ticket. Donna. 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 Keep going. Donna. Donna. Oh, it's okay. Fire energy. That was all our packs. It's okay. Let's take a look and see what we got. Like, I don't know.
I
I don't know. Can we?
don't know, Tiny.
We're going to go through and show everyone the cards. These are all the pulls from the packs. Zacian, Tapu Koko. Let's go. That was a good one. 2 Iris Fighting Spirit. Illustration. That's actually, let's look at that. That's a really good art. Let me show them. It's an awesome art. All the orange. Articuno. Let's go. Zoroark. Keep going. There's one more. Oh! Crazy.
I just message that. Bye. Yeah.
We're going to show you the Master Set binder. see if what we're missing. We're missing the reverse hollow Meowscarada, and we did not get that today.
All done. All done.
All done. We're really close, dude. For some reason, reverse hollow electrode. Again, didn't get it today.
All done.
That one's all done.
I am so done.
That one's all done.
All done. Done.
Uh-oh, we're missing the reverse hollow Sandaconda. Didn't get it today either.
All done. All done. All done.
Nope. Reverse hollow Adino. Crazy. Some of these reverse hollows, maybe they don't even have them. Am I just
All done.
losing my mind? Redeemable ticket! Come on, man.
Oh.
We did pull this, and the Articuno today. We already had them, so they're going to enter our giveaway pile. But we do have some to add. 2 of the SIR Zoroarks. We'll slide that in the binder. And we got 1 gold Zoroark. Awesome card. So now we are only missing the full art Dunsparce, the SIR Hopsation, Salamence SIR, the Clefairy EX SIR, and this one actually goes right here. The gold Iono Velobolt. Aside from those, we just have the reverse hollows, which for some reason are extremely elusive, especially my arch nemesis, the reverse hollow redeemable ticket. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay an extra second to enter the giveaway. All you're going to do is comment redeemable ticket, and you're going to get entered to win the Kangas Kong, Mega Kangas Kong box. Say it with this part. Say it with this part. Say it with this part. Say it with this part.
Bye-bye.
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 We're watching.